Where should we start with building a Send app? Should we first learn how to write coding? Or should we go straight to building the app?
Calm down, Julia. Let's do this step by step. First, we have to perform a market research.
We have Gyeongdong Market nearby.
What I mean by market is where the service transaction takes place. In order to make an effective app, we have to first understand who is using the app, why is he or she using it, and how users use the app.
Our target audience would be adults because they can vote. And they will use the app to find the time when voting places aren't so crowded. So we should show how many people are in the waiting line for each voting place.
Once the basic investigation is over and rough plan is set, we should now decide on the basic functions of the Send app.
Why do we have to choose our essential functions? Isn't it better to have many different functions of the app?
First, we can save time and energy, and apps that can perform one or two functions excellently is better than apps that have many non-functioning app functions.
So for the Send app, these are the main functions. First, listing voting areas based on user's location, and user chooses that voting place.
Second, when a user clicks waiting button, increase the number of waiting people by 1.
Third, data about the user's voting place pops up in the main screen.
Great! The last step is to make a paper prototype. The benefits of making a prototype includes it's easy, fast, collaborative, and cheap.
Decisions for app design and executions are made here, so we can save time when making them. Let's start drawing.
Hi everyone, I hope you guys enjoyed watching this week 3 comic. So we actually spent a lot of time improving the design because I realized that our comics tend to be a little bit busy or like a little bit too much text and everything, so I just wanted to lengthen it rather than just try to cram every single information in a single page. So yeah, basically, in week 3, we learned about how to make a paper prototype. And the reason why it is important to make a paper prototype is oftentimes when people start making their own app, if they dive straight to designing their app, they think about, oh my god, what if I add this new feature to this app? What if I add this new function to this app? And that's when you guys realize that, oh, I might not have enough time to actually develop all these functions when you actually started to build them. So it is really important that you guys identify what the main features are so that you have enough time invested in those main key features. For example, let's say if you guys have like 2 different functions, then and you have 10 minutes, you can allot 5 minutes to each of those functions. Whereas if you like have 5 different functions, then hypothetically you can allow only 2 minutes each. Then that will definitely lower the quality of the app. So yeah, that's the message, is to find what is the key feature and why are those features so appealing for the users to use. So yeah, I hope you guys look forward to the next video, which will be about I'm gonna introduce you all to like some of the seminars or seminars. So those seminars are more towards biology. So those are about oncology or immunotherapy, more of those that and about COVID-19. And those are live seminars. So I'm going to tell you what my plans are, what I'm going to do with those seminars. And I hope you guys look forward to that video. And I hope you guys enjoyed this week 3 comic, and see you next week.